You, Venki sir, thank you so much for being here today. And honestly, it just feels surreal to be here. Uh, one more release, Dacoit it is, as Saraswati and Juliet. I don't know what is this ritual having two names in every movie. Sita Mahalakshmi, Noor Jahan, Varsha, Yashna, and now here, Saraswati Juliet. I want to tell you how this film came to me. Uh, like Shaurya Garu mentioned, I would keep calling him, and he's my only friend in the, in the south and in यहाँ पर. So one fine day, he's like, Mrunal Garu, there is my friend DB, Dhanush Garu, who's shooting this fantastic movie, and I think you should hear this narration. And I was like, really, you think I should do it? He's like, yeah, Mrunalji, please go hear it out because it's really solid, and for the girl, it's a fantastic part. If Shaurya Garu wouldn't have called me, I wouldn't be playing Saraswati today. So thank you so much, Shaurya Garu. Thank you so much, Dhanush, for literally making this happen. And I know the next call was with Supriya Garu, and she said, when can we do the narration? And I said, can we do it tomorrow or day after? And I immediately flew to Hyderabad. And when I did, it took me fractions of seconds to just be on the project, be on the film. There's something so soulful about this film that instantly connected and resonated me with the movie. Shenil Garu is not here, but I would really like to thank Shenil sir for being so calm and so patient. He's wonderful, and it's his debut too. So I'm really hoping that this film gives him all the love, success that he deserves because he's worked really hard, and I hope as Saraswati I justify and I do justice to the character. Supriya Garu always she'll say Tinnava, and I have just realized this on stage that it's not just me who she's so extremely protective towards, but everyone. She's so caring, and I think it's a blessing to have begun my career with Swapna Garu, who's so solid. I don't know where both the friends, Swapna and Supriya Garu, get so much strength. I think these two girls, I have taken the strength from them and put it in Saraswati. So SSS.